Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to track some location with lunix. Okay, first open your lunix, then open web browser. Okay, then search take chip net hound, search it, and it will take a seconds. Okay, you'll see a GitHub page. Click on that GitHub page. Then you will see a code option. Click on code option. Then copy the link and close the web browser. Then open the terminal and zoom in and write git clone and paste your link. I already installed it. You have to install it. Then ls it. Then cd hand. Then ls it again and cd bash.sh. Yes it. If you get this error, retry it again. Try again. Then yes it again. It will solve your problem. Okay, done. You will see your problem is solved and you will see a link. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Do not do it without permission, and subscribe and like to my channel, and bye for another video.